that versus those, nailing your demonstrative determiners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an important aspect of English grammar, demonstrative determiners. Our focus will be specifically on understanding the usage and differences between that and those. Mastering these can really enhance your English communication, making it clearer and more accurate. Let's get started. Before we dive into the differences, it's crucial to understand what that and those are. Both that and those are demonstrative determiners. They are used to point out or indicate specific things or people in a sentence. That is used to point to something specific within sight and is singular. For example, look at that bird on the tree. Those is its plural form, used to indicate specific things or people within sight. For example, look at those birds on the tree. That is a very versatile word in English, and as a demonstrative determiner, it is used in several ways. 1. To point to something that is farther away in distance or time. For example, do you see that house on the hill? Or, I remember that day when we first met. 2. With singular or uncountable nouns. For example, I don't like that idea. Or, can I have some of that water? Likewise, those is the plural form of that and is used in these instances. 1. To refer to things that are farther away in distance or time. For example, can you see those stars? Or, those were the days. 2. With plural nouns. For example, I don't like those shoes. Or, can I have some of those cookies? The main difference between that and those lies in their usage with singular and plural nouns. That is used with singular or uncountable nouns, and those is used with plural nouns. Additionally, they both refer to things or people that are farther away in time or space, but that refers to one thing or person, while those refers to more than one thing or person. Understanding the usage and differences between that and those can significantly boost your English speaking and writing skills. Remember, practice is key. So try using that and those in your conversations and writings today. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll master these nuances in no time. Until next time, happy learning!